Now here in the word problem, find the area of a piece of cloth of size 9 meters by 3 meters. 9 meters by 3 meters. 9 meters by 3 meters means 9 meters is the length and 3 meters is the breadth. Means the cloth is in the shape of rectangle. So, rectangular shape of cloth area he is asking. Here 9 meters is the length and 3 meters is the breadth. Now here steps. Rectangular cloth. Why it is rectangle? Length and breadth is given. So, that is why. Rectangular cloth. Length 9 meters. Breadth 3 meters. Then area. Area of the cloth. Length into breadth. Why we are using length into breadth? Because it is in the shape of rectangle. So, length into breadth. What is the length here? 9 meters. And what is the breadth here? 3 meters. 9 3 is 27. So, 2 times meters. So, we take meters square. Square meters. Area is in square meters. This is area. Okay. Then after that, find the area of a square sheet of a side. Square sheet. This is square sheet. 1 meter 25 centimeters. 1 meter and 25 centimeter. Square sheet side is given. This is square sheet. In this square sheet, side is given, that is 1 meter 25 centimeter. 1 meter 25 centimeter means that is 1.25 centimeters. Meters. So, first we have to write in meters. 1 meters and centimeters. So, just we convert into 1.25 meters. Okay. Now, so square sheet side. Square sheet side is equal to 1 meter 25 centimeter, that is 1.25 meters. Okay. Square sheet area. Square sheet area is equal to side into side. Side into side. What is the side here? 1.25 meters into 1.25 meters. 1.25 meters into 1.25 meters. Now, we have to multiply 1.25 with 1.25. First 1.25 multiply with 1.25. First with 5. 5 is 25, 2, 5 to the 10, 12 and 1. 5 is 5 plus 1, 6. Then after that 0 with 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 to the 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2. Now again 2 zeros, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. 5, 2, 16, 5, 1. 1 5 6 2 5. It means after 4 digit we have to keep a decimal. 15.625. So, once you check 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10, 11, 12, 1, 5 1s are 5 and 6. Then 2, 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 1s are 2. Then 2 zeros, 2 1s are 2, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. 5, 2, 16, 1, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 and 1. After 4 digit we have to keep a decimal. So, here 2 digits and here 2 digits, that is 1.5625. So, here the answer is 1.5625 meters, or otherwise 1 meter 5625 centimeters. Okay. Now, students, see here in performance time D. So, this is about volume. So, the questions based on volume. Units of volume. So, volume units are always in cubic units. Cubic units. Units we have to take in cubic form. Okay. Cubic meters or cubic centimeters or cubic kilometers. Okay. Whatever the units are given, that we have to write in cubic form. Okay. Cubic units. So, volume is nothing but cubic units. Here, the first one, find the volume of each of the following by counting the blocks. First, we have to count the blocks, then write volume. See here, in the given picture, how many blocks are there? First, you count. So, how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first row, 4 blocks are there. In the second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 4. In the third block, again 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many blocks we have? Total 12 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, in each block 4, 4 no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 blocks. Then after that, so 2 more blocks were there, 12, 13, 14, and one more block is there upside, 15. So, total how many blocks are there? 15 blocks are there. Total 15 blocks are there. So, what is the volume? 15 cubic units we have to write. 15 cubic units. So, first you count total blocks, and according to that number into cubic units, that number in cubic units we have to take. So, and after that, in the next picture, in each row we have 4 blocks. So, that how many rows we have? 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 blocks were there, and before 2 blocks were there, 16, 17 and 18. Total how many blocks? 18 blocks. So, 18 cubic units. 18 cubic units. Just you count the blocks and write your answer in cubic units. Okay. Now, see here. So, in the performance time D, so calculate the volume of the following. So, rectangular blocks are given. In this rectangular blocks, length is given, breadth is given, and height is given. Length, breadth, height. Okay. Length, breadth, and height is given. So, we have to find volume. So, volume formula, length into breadth into height. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Here length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 18 centimeters, and height is 17 centimeters into 17 centimeters. 12 centimeters into 18 centimeters into 17 centimeters. Now, we have to multiply 12 with 18, 18 into 12, 12 8s are 96 and 9, 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 9 is 12 plus 9, 21, okay, 216. Now, these 206 we have to multiply with 17, okay. Now, 7 6 is 42, 4, 7 is 7, 11, 1, 7 is 14, 15. Now, with 1, here 0, 6, 1, 2, 2, 7, 6, 3. So, then 3672, 3672 centimeter cube, 3672 cubic units, centimeter cube. So, this is the volume. So, just we multiply length into breadth into height, length into breadth into height. Okay. Now, here also volume formula, length into breadth into height. What is the length here? 4 meters, breadth is 5 meters, and the height is 4 meters. 4 meters, 5 meters, 4 meters. 4 5 is 20, 24 is 80, 80 meter cube. So, units are in meter cube. Okay. Okay. Now, in the third, find the volume of a cuboids with the following measurements. Cuboid length is given, breadth is given, and height is given. So, we have to find volume. Cuboid volume. Cuboid volume is equal to length into breadth into height. What is the length here? 11.5 meters into, see here, meters or centimeters, what is given here. So, all are in centimeters, all are in centimeters, all are in centimeters. 11.5 centimeters and breadth 9.2 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. Now, so we have to multiply all these three. All these three we have to multiply. See here, first we have to multiply 11.5 with 9.2, 11.5 with 9.2, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 1s are 2. Next 9, 9 5s are 45, 4, 9s are 9, 13, 1, 9s are 9, 10. 08501. Okay. Now, after that we have to multiply with 6. Multiply with 6. So, 6 0 0, 6 8s are 48, 4, 6 5s are 34, 3, 3 and 6 1s are 6. After 2 digits we have to keep a decimal, that is 634.8. 634.8, 0 no need to take, that is in centimeter cube. So, this is the volume of a cuboid. So, here also cuboid volume we have to find. Cuboid volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay. What is the length here? 7.4 meters and breadth 6.2 meters and height 5.2 meters. So, first we have to multiply 7.4 with 6.2, 7.4 with 6.2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Next 6 4s are 24, 6 7s are 42, 44, 8 8 5 4, 4588. So, this we have to multiply with 5.2 again. 2 8s are 16, 16, 17, 2 are 10, 11, 1, 8. Next with 5, 5 is a 40, 4, 5 is a 40, 4, 4, 25, 29, 2, 5 for 20, 22, 6, 7, 5, 17, 1, 17, 1, 3, 2. After 237.576, 237. So, once you check here multiplication, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 7s are 42, 44, then 8, 8, 5, 4, then after that 5.2, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 8s are 16, 17 and 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 11, 1, 6 4s are 24, no, 2 4s are 8, once again with 2, 2 8s are 16 and 1, 2 8s are 16, 1 7, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 and here 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, okay, with 5, 5 8s are 40, 4, 5 8s are 40, 44 plus 4, 25, 29, 2, 20, 22, 6, 7, 5, 9, 9, 18, 18, 1, 238.576, 238.576 is in meter cube, cubic units. Okay. Now, find the volume of cubes whose sides of the cube is given. So, we have to find volume. Cube volume is equal to side into side 3 times. Side means 7.5 meters into 7.5 meters into 7.5 meters. 7.5 into 7.5 into 7.5. 3 times we have to multiply. First multiply 7.5 into 7.5. 7.5 multiply with 7.5. 5 5s are 25, 2. 5 7 35, 36, 37. Now with 7. 0 first. 7 5s are 35, 3. 7 7s are 49, 52. Then 5, 12, 6, 5. 5,625 with 7.5 again. 5 5s are 25, 2. 5 to the 10, 11, 12, 1. 5 6 30, 31, 3. 25, 28. Now with 7, 2 zeros we have to keep. 7 5s are 35, 3. 7 to the 14, 17, 1. 7 6 are 42, 43, 4. 7 5s are 35, 39. Now add 5, 2, 6, 15, 6, 9, 3. Then after 3 digits we have to keep decimal. 3965, 3965.625. So once again you check here. 5 5s are 25, 2. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 1, 5 6 30, 31, 3. Right, 25, 26, 27, 28. 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are after 1 digit 35, then 7, then 3, then 2, then 9, again with 3. Now add 5, so 5, here 7 and here 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 12, 1, 4, 421.875, 421.875 meter cube. So this is the volume. Just we have to multiply 3 times, 7.5, 7.5, 7.5. Now here 16 meter side is given. Cube volume is equal to side into side. Side is 16 meters into 16 meters into 16 meters. 16 to 16, 324. 324 with 16. 324 with 16. 6 4s are 24, 2. 6 2s are 12, 14, 1. 6 3s are 18, 19. First 0. 4, 2, 3. 4, 8, 11, 5. 5,184. 5,184. Once you check 16 16s are 16 16 are 304. Once you check 16 16s are how much? 16 16 6 6 are 36, 3. 6 and 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 6 are 6, 1 1 are 1. 6, 9, 10, 256. 16 16 are 256. 256 with 16. 256 again with 16. 6 6 are 36, 3. 6 5 are 30, 33, 3. 6 2s are 12, 15. Then after that 6, 5, 2. 6, 9, 10, 4. 4096. So this is the answer. 4096. 4096 meter cube. Okay. So this is the volume. Now students, next in word problem, see here, a box contains 30 meters length. Box length is given 30 meters and breadth is 25 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. So is to be filled with rice. What is the quantity of rice that can be filled in the box? Quantity of rice he is asking. So it means indirectly he is asking what is the volume of that box. What is the volume of the box? The capacity of rice asking. Capacity means volume. So volume we have to find. Length is given, breadth is given and height is given. So we have to find volume. So then box length L is equal to 30 centimeters, breadth breadth B is equal to 25 centimeters, height is equal to 15 centimeters. So then volume of rice can filled in the box is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is 30 centimeters, breadth is 25 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. Okay. Now 30 25 are 750 into 15. So all are in centimeter cube. Now 15 zeros are 0, 15 5s are 75 and 7 here. 15 7s are 105, 105 plus 7, so 117. 11,715 centimeter cube. So once again 15 zeros are 0, 15 5s are 75 and 7. 15 sevens are how much? 15 sevens are 105, 105 plus 7, 112. So 11,250 centimeter cube. So this much rice can fill in that given quantity of given measurement of that box. This much rice can be filled. Okay. Now next, see here in the next word problem, an almara is 90 centimeters long and height 50 centimeters and wide is 35 centimeters. So what is the volume of almara? So here length, breadth and height is given. So then we have to find volume of almara. Almara length 90 centimeters, breadth is 35 centimeters, height is equal to 50 centimeters. Then volume, almara volume is equal to length into breadth into height. What is the length here? 90 centimeters, breadth 35 centimeters and height 50 centimeters. Now multiply. So in easiest way we have to multiply first 90 with 5. 9 5s are 45, 2 zeros into 35 centimeter cube. 35 zeros are 0, 35 zeros are 0, 35 5s are 20, 140, so 175, so 5 7 70 87. So this is in centimeter cube. So 87,500. Once 35 zeros are 0, 35 zeros are 0, 35 5 are 25, 2 17, 35 5 are 70, 85, 87,500 centimeter cube. Okay. If once you want to check, then check 45 with 35, 5 5 are 25, 2, 5 4 are 20, 22, 3 5 are 15, 1, 3 4 are 12, 13, 5 7 5 1, 1575. So 1575, 15,000, 1,57,500 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of almara. Just we multiply. So all the three length, breadth and height, you will get your answer. Okay. Now a room length is 12 meters long, 7.5 meters broad and 6 centimeters height. Then how much air contains means capacity of air he is asking, that means volume. So, room length L is equal to 12 meters, breadth 7.5 meters, height is 6 meters. Then volume, air contains in room, room contains air, room contains means capacity of room, that is length into breadth into height. What is the length here? 12 meters, breadth 7.5 meters and height 6 meters. Now first you multiply 6 7s are 12 6 are 72 into 7.5 meter cube. Then 7.5 we have to multiply with 72. 7.5 with 72. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 14, 15. Okay. 7 5s are 35, 3, 49, 52. 0, 10, 4, 5. After 2 digits we have, after 1 digit, that is 540 meter cube. 540 meters cube.